Hi, welcome to Gabby Manifest. Today we will explore one of the deepest foundations of human health, sleep and wakefulness. These two states are the rhythm of life that regulates everything within us. Before we start, make sure you follow Gabby Manifest to learn how to align your mindset with your brain through neuroscience and human potential development with Gabby, certified master NLP coach and hypnotherapy trainer. Dr. Andrew Huberman from Stanford University explains that there are two main forces controlling when we sleep and when we wake: adenosine and circadian clock. The first one is adenosine, a molecule that gradually builds up the longer we stay awake. As it accumulates, we feel sleepy. When we drink coffee, the caffeine blocks the adenosine receptor in our brain. This makes us feel alert for a few hours. But once the caffeine wears off, the adenosine crash makes us even sleepier. However, adenosine alone does not determine when you should sleep. Timing matters too. That's where the circadian clock comes in. The circadian clock's the 24-hour biological rhythm. Circadian literally means about a day. It's the body internal rhythm that's aligned with the 24-hour cycle of the earth. The master clock of this rhythm lives in the brain, in a small structure called suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, located deep within the hypothalamus. The SCN receives signals from the light entering through our eyes through specialized cells called melanopsin retinal ganglion cells. When you get morning sunlight exposure within the first 5 to 30 minutes after waking, light activates those retina cells and sends a signal to the SCN. The SCN then triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline, preparing your brain and body for alertness and movement. The earlier and stronger the sunlight exposure without sunglasses, the better your internal clock aligns with the real world day. From the moment cortisol is released, your internal clock starts a countdown. About 12 to 14 hours later, your body will naturally release melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep onset. So light and timing are tools for resetting your life rhythm. If you miss morning sunlight, spend more time outdoor later. About at least 15 minutes in natural light helps reset your clock. At night, avoid overly bright light, especially overhead lighting, the blue light screens from phones, from computers, or dim them as much as possible. Morning sunlight does not just help you feel awake. It resets your internal clock. It sets the timing for cortisol, melatonin, alertness, and rest to work in harmony throughout the day and night. Follow Gabby Manifest to discover how to reconnect your inner rhythm with nature. In the next episode, we will go deeper into the circadian clock, how it works in the brain, and how light and hormones interact to determine your daily sleep-wake cycle. Until next time.